Struggling to put your Ninja Swirl together or get it apart after a cycle? If something feels stuck, tight, or confusing, don't force it. Here's how to assemble and disassemble it the right way without damaging any parts. Step 1. Start with the pint inside the outer bowl. Make sure the pint container sits flat inside the outer bowl. If it's even slightly tilted, the lid and swirl press won't line up properly. Step 2. Attach the lid and swirl press straight down. Align the swirl press vertically and press it into the nozzle opening until it clicks. Then lock the lid in place with a firm twist clockwise. Don't over-tighten. Step 3. Lower the handle fully to engage. The machine won't recognize the assembly unless the handle is pushed all the way down. It should lock in with light resistance. No need to force it. Step 4. For disassembly, start by unplugging the unit. Always cut power before removing parts to prevent accidental motor activation. Then lift the handle, twist the lid counterclockwise, and pull the bowl straight up. Step 5. Clean any sticky parts before reassembling. If anything feels stuck during disassembly, it's usually dried mix or residue. Clean the swirl press, nozzle, and paddle thoroughly before putting it back together. Still having trouble? Your lid or swirl press might be misaligned or slightly warped. Check for cracks or bent edges. Ninja support link is in the description if you need a replacement. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for fast, frustration-free fixes. And if you're dealing with dried mix buildup, we've linked a food-safe cleaning brush set in the description that makes disassembly way easier. Thanks for watching, and swirl easy.